So hi Sakat, thank you for taking out the time, right? So as we know that this is we are doing for our audience because after seeing your transformation, there have been a lot of pings, even to you, even to me, and they had
Correct.
questions in the mind. So just to give them a little bit of clarity, we just gathered here. So why don't we start by introducing yourself, Sakat?
I am Shekat Kumar Sinha. I believe most of you know my name. So if I talk about where I'm born and brought up, so I'm born and brought up in Calcutta, and then have moved down to north, and then followed by south, and then again back to Calcutta. So if I talk about what I do professionally, so by degree I'm an engineer, and by profession I work as a director in one of the tech organizations. So yeah, pretty hectic schedule, and that's all. So that's about me.
Okay. So Sakat, the most obvious question that how many kgs you lost and what was the time frame for that weight loss?
Okay, so I believe I started off in the month of July. So July, August, and September, and then I've lost somewhere near to 28 kilos. So thanks to you, Vikram, I'm so fortunate. Even my parents are quite thankful to you that I met somebody like you. I saw your post over Facebook, and then it is something which is, I believe, the best gift I've got in 2021. So thank you so much.
So let me reframe Sakat. So you said 28 kgs, right? 28 kgs in 3 months. That's huge, actually. That's huge. So Sakat, was it the drop in the numbers itself, or there are some health benefits, and or there is some other areas which you find difference in terms of your health?
So I would say, see, the weight loss part of it is something which you get to see in front of your eyes, right? But again, if I tell you apart from that, so when we spoke, you and me, so I must have told you that my blood reports are quite atrocious. I had uric acid, I had blood pressure, and all of that, right? So quite a lot of turmoil at that point of time, being 26 years old. So weight loss is something which you get to see, or maybe it's a part of the program. I would see you can actually kind of see that, visualize that. But apart from that, currently, if I talk about my skin is better, my hair is better, and apart from that, if I talk about my health, or might be if I talk about the uric acid part of it, so I used to snore like anything. It's just like typical snoring, sleep apnea, and all of that. So I'm done with all of that. Right. So it's not only about the weight loss. Weight loss is definitely a part. It's more about getting healthy and getting into that lifestyle wherein you understand that how important it is to manage your health. And it's just that. So weight loss definitely a part. Numbers shows up, but again, apart from that, there are multiple other things which were like
As I always says to my client, that weight loss is just a byproduct of your healthy body. And that holds so true in your case. That holds so true. So Sakat, just want to understand your previous life before weight loss. So what all things you tried and to get rid of this situation of yours, and how was it working for you?
The focus had always been that how to lose that weight. Right, so it was never lifestyle change that I was focusing on. So it's, looking forward for a lot of crash diet, and then might be walking a bit, doing this and that. But again, the rebound rate was quite high. I mean, once I leave the diet, again I regain all the weight which I have kind of lost. So that way, it was something which was very temporary, and it was not coming across with any kind of let's say results. Then I was quite very lethargic. Life was sad back then, very honest about it. So once I look back, it's like right.
This statement of yours made me flash one more question in my mind, that as you told that you finished your program in September 2020. So and 2021 now, right? So how is it? Since you finished your program, you're back to normal diet. Have you gained any weight, or how is it? What is the scenario?
Absolutely not. So it's like I have lost another 5-6 kilos after that, once I got done with the diet. So it's more of like, as I reflected, and I believe you're the better person to put it across, that it's more about that healthy lifestyle change. It's not about going ahead and just losing the weight, because again that doesn't work, right? That's not sustainable. There's a lot of rebound which happens.
Absolutely.
And the same, there's just no kind of rebound which have happened. And I was myself quite skeptical about it, that what if I leave it and then again back to normal.
Exactly. No, that's the whole purpose of this program. So as one more statement I generally say to my client, right, that you don't come for weight loss to me. You come for not to regain that weight again ever to me. you come for that.
Yeah.
So
I mean, you had a solution to every single thing, I believe.
yes.
So, which one? And I believe this is the 100th time I'm saying you thank you. But yeah.
Okay, so moving on to the last question, the message to the audience who are watching this video. What is that one message you would like to give?
So see, the thing is that I was somebody who was a typical foodie, then working 12, 13 hours a day, and just like a normal person working in sales and struggling to, make both the points meet. So a person like me who have accomplished it, because I understand that your health management is the biggest management that you should learn. Because if you know how to manage your health, then you can manage any single thing in your life. That's what I believe. And again, if you have somebody as superb as Vikram, then you don't need to doubt anything. He's there for every solution. So again, it's moreover like going ahead, and it's not about the weight loss. If you're coming to Vikram for weight loss, then you're wrong. It's not the weight loss. It's a part of it definitely, but it's moreover about having a better lifestyle and feeling good in your own. So that's what the whole catch is.
Super. So thank you again, Saikat, for taking out the time, and the whole credit goes to you, Saikat, because how dedicated and how seriously you are following this program, it all resulted because of that.
We see a lot of celebrities and people doing it because that's their job, right? They just do it. But here for us, going to a lot of, working for 13, 14 hours a day and doing all of that. And then after that, losing weight, even I need to pat myself that well done.
Absolutely. That's what I was telling that. See, generally what happens is that we see film stars, TV stars or fitness enthusiasts doing this every single day. But somebody from among our society or somebody who is having our own lifestyle does something that's inspiring, right? And that's what you have become an inspiring figure, and you're actually inspiring a lot of people. I can see there are many people who have inspired and started because of your story, and maybe this story again will impact many more people coming. Yes,
that's something I'm impacting. If I'm benefited out of something, then I would definitely look forward to others getting benefited out of it as well, because I know that how it feels. It feels great. Great would be the word within quotes. Yeah.